thank you so much for having us this year, dude. Like, we've learned so much from watching you and your team, and they've been so awesome and taking us to Australia with you. This is places we never thought we would ever be in our entire lives. So if you guys want to flip that, just one of those switches, whichever this light is.
This is quite the presentation.
Kia ora, Keith. My name is Sam Mangaka here. Thought I'd give a bit of background on the artist behind this gift that your friends put together for you that I'm very excited to share more about. Again, Sam from the North Shore of Oahu. I grew up in Brisbane, Australia, and I've been out here for 10 years. It's incredible. I'm a cultural artist, and I tell stories through design that empower people to live true to their values. And this piece I've titled The Rise of the Phoenix. It covers a lot of different things, and it touches on your family, things that are important to you, your music, polarity in design, culture, where you grew up, and it's all kind of wrapped up in this. I'll give you a quick sneak peek in this design that I've annotated that you can read through carefully when you have time. But most of all, you know, something to honor your legacy and the things that you've built over the years that have inspired thousands of people, including myself, and your fearlessness of attacking your dreams. And that's huge. I can't wait to see this guitar out in the wild, if that means on stage or, you know, in the studio, whatever it may be. I just hope that you can use this and love this thing. It's a Maori inspired design. That's my roots. And you know, this is number 30, piece number 30. Number 29 is Jelly Roll, and number 28 is Post Malone. So I'm excited for you to have this in your hands, and big shout out to the crew. It's on a Gibson, so I hope you love it. Aloha, Sam.
Nice.
Oh man. Oh my God. It's so tiny though.
Oh, you broke.
Oh goodness. Oh my gosh,
Beautiful.
man. Come on.
Gorgeous.
Oh, it's breathtaking. It truly is.
I can't breathe. I'm nervous.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like this.
I'm glad you like it, man.
It is just exquisite. Dude,
We love you, buddy.
I love you too,
Thank you
Chase.
for
All of you. All of you. Thank you so much, brother.
You'll make me cry.
No. Just thank you for bringing your heart every night, man. All of you guys.
Laryngitis ain't contagious, is it?
I'm just happy to see you.
Oh, man.
No, I thank you to all of you guys for just bringing the right spirit. Like, that's all it is. We're not rocket scientists. We're just trying to bring some joy, some hope, some levity, and some light to people. And I've watched you and the band come out night after night. And it hasn't mattered where it is. I saw you do it at Mega Maroney. I saw you do it in Boston, Brisbane. It didn't matter where it was. I saw you guys come out with a purpose. You came out with a purpose. And that's what everybody responded to every night. And it's been an honor to have you guys out on the road with us. I'm really grateful that you wanted to do it. So thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Man.
I love you,
dude.
I love you, man. I love you. I love it.
We'll make sure it gets to your bus. You ain't got to worry about it right now.
It's gonna get played, don't you worry. No, I'm taking it with me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You got the guitar in one hand, the puppy in the other.